Kitchen tools and utensils. Knife. Cuts, slices, and dices ingredients. Spoon. Scoops and stirs liquids and solids. Fork. Picks up and holds food. Butter knife. Spreads butter or spreads. Grater. Shreds cheese, vegetables, or zest. Cleaver. Chops through bones and tough meat. Peeler. Remove skin from fruits and vegetables. Rolling pastry cutter. Cuts pastry or dough with a wheel. Egg slicer. Uniformly slices hard-boiled eggs. Pizza cutter. Slices through pizzas with a wheel. Nutcracker. Cracks nutshells to access the kernel. Garlic press. Crushes garlic cloves for flavor. Cutting board. Flat surface for chopping and preparation. Strainer. Separates solids from liquids. Mesh skimmer. Removes impurities from liquids. Potato masher. Crushes boiled potatoes and soft foods. Meat tenderizer. Softens and flattens meat. Ladle. Serves soups, stews, or sauces. Tongs. Grasps and serves food. Slotted spoon. Drains liquids from solid food. Steak hammer. Tenderizes meat for cooking.